Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Visual Studio Code and install the GitHub Copilot extension from the marketplace. Sign in with your GitHub account and grant Copilot permission to read your code. Enable Copilot from the status bar or command palette using the Copilot. Enable command. Choose inline suggestions or Copilot chat depending on your plan and workflow preference. Adjust autocomplete triggers and suggestion display in settings to reduce noise while coding. Restart Vscode if prompts do not appear and verify you are using the correct account. Start a file and begin typing a function signature or comment to prompt Copilot suggestions. View inline completions in gray text and cycle alternatives with Ctrl+ or Alt+. Accept suggestions with Tab or use Ctrl+Enter to open the full suggestion panel for bigger snippets. Edit accepted code and request improved alternatives using an inline Ask Copilot comment. Configure suggestion length, telemetry, and language scope in settings. JSON or the settings UI. Use workspace exclusions to prevent Copilot from suggesting in binary or vendor folders. Understand billing. Copilot may require a paid subscription for Teams or enterprise plans. Check GitHub settings for organization allowance and seat assignments if suggestions stop working. Enable telemetry only if comfortable. Disable in settings. JSON to keep usage local. Update the extension regularly and match Vscode version to avoid API mismatches. Use Copilot Labs or chat for complex tasks and keep prompts clear and concise. Contact GitHub support and review logs in the output panel for persistent errors and diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.